Welcome back to 6-Minute Math, where we turn confusion into clarity 6 minutes at a time. Thank you for joining us today for our video on finding the volume of triangular prisms. Ring that bell to get notified of more 6-minute content, including how to find the volume of most three-dimensional objects, including composite shapes. 6 minutes is not a lot of time. So here we go. Our key points today are to understand that volume is the amount of space an object takes up. To find volume of a prism, specifically triangular, we are going to calculate the area of the base of that object and then multiply it by the height. All volume is given in the form of units cubed, as it is a concept that takes up three-dimensional space, meaning that we need to cube that final unit. So let's check out some examples. We're going to find the volume of this triangular prism. To do that, we're going to find the area of the base, which is that triangle. We have the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Our base is 5, our height is 3. So the area of that triangle is 7.5. That is going to be the base. So the volume of that prism is going to be the area of that base multiplied by the height of the prism. I've just rotated that prism around to show that the 8 is considered the height after finding the base of that triangle. So we have our area of base times height. We take that 7.5, multiply it by 8, giving us a total volume of 60. So the volume of this triangular prism can be given as 1/2 base times height times the length of that triangular prism. That 1/2 base times height is the triangle. And that length in this case is going to give us that total volume. So let's do some examples together here. We're going to find the volume of this triangular prism. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my formula and figure out the area of that triangle. So our volume is 1/2 base times height of that triangle. Our height is 3, our base is 6. So we have 6 times 3, and that's going to be multiplied by the length of that prism, which is 8. This is equal to 1/2 times 18 times 8, which is also the same as 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. So our total volume is 72 meters cubed. Let's check out another example here. We're going to do the volume of this triangular prism. We figure out that triangle first. We have a base of 12, a height of 5, and the length of that triangular prism is 10. So let's put those into my formula. We have 1/2 base times height, 12 times 5, and I'm going to multiply that by 10. This is equal to 1/2 of 60 multiplied by 10. 1/2 of 60 is 30 multiplied by 10. And 30 times 10 is 300, and we have cubic inches. On to our last example. We're going to find the volume of the following, and we're going to do that triangle first. So we have a base and a height, and then the length of this prism is 20. So our volume is equal to 1/2 12 times 8, and I'm going to multiply that by the length of 20. This is 1/2 times 96 times 20. Half of 96 is 48. Multiply that by 20, giving me a total volume of 960 cubic centimeters. Those are all the examples we have today for finding the volume of triangular prisms. If you want to see another method to find the volume of triangular prisms, please check out the video I have linked into the description below. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at 6 Minute Math, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any topic you want to see me tackle in a future 6-minute episode. Always remember that the best way to get math is to practice math, so keep on practicing. And until next time, keep solving and evolving.